Hello everyone, I thought I would do a quick little, it's probably not gonna be quick, let's be real, but a little full face minus the base. Okay, I already did my base because my previous video was a full fake, I can't even say first impressions anymore without saying this, just a first impression. What a mess, why is this video already ruined? Oh my god, Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation SPF 25. Go check out my last video if you want to see how I did my base and what I think of this foundation, because it is so expensive. So expensive. I bought it for like $100 and something, like it's ridiculous. But anyways, moving along, I'm just gonna, yeah, throw some stuff on my face. I'm going out for dinner tonight with some friends, so yeah, I thought I would just do pretty makeup. I don't know. I hope you're all well. If you're not doing good, send you virtual hugs. Hopefully this video cheers you up a little bit. It's just gonna be real chill. We're also gonna take down my hair, which is gonna be exciting. I feel like it'll be satisfying. I've got them all like clipped up, you see? So we'll see how the hair turns out at the end. Fingers crossed it looks good. Oh, and my battery is dying. I feel like a normal person would have just restarted filming by now, because that was an atrocious intro. But for my eye makeup, I have this palette which I really think is so stunning. I'm not wearing this color tonight. I don't know what I'm wearing, so I figure I'll do something kind of neutral glam. This is the Lyric Pressed Powder Palette by Colourpop, and I just love the colors in there and the glitter. So should I like try to use every single color in here? If you've had some good news recently, comment it below so we could all like share our good news together and make each other feel good and inspired, you know? My good news is that we are about to restock Ugaya, yay, and very special palette that I wore on my wedding day is landing in New Zealand, I think next week as well. So we've got to do photos, sort out our wholesale and all the fine details, but it's about to be here, so you guys will see a launch video very soon for that. I cannot wait. So yeah, I'm starting with the shade Ode right now, and I'm going to, I don't know, I don't even know what's happening today. Like my mood is just so weird. I feel like I probably need to stop and go like actually eat or something, because I haven't eaten anything today. All I've had is coffee, you know, and yeah, it explains everything, I guess. This is a fluffy blender brush, and the color is stunning. It's almost like the perfect neutral undertone. Like, in some areas where I've blended it, it looks like cooler, and then on the outer areas it looks warmer. Like it almost looks like I've used two eyeshadows. So I'm really buffing that out. I am going to take the shade Verse on a crease detail brush. It's the darkest color, and I'm going to apply some of this to the outer corner, I think. I might use it as eyeliner. We'll see what else we have though. So I'm doing like the kind of classic C shape, and then I'm going to take a MAC 217, I think, similar to the XO Beauty Firm Blender. I'm going to take Ode again, and I'm going to kind of go straight over the top just to soften it. It's so pretty. It's almost got like a little bit of a berry undertone to it, which looks really nice. My only complaint is like the powders are so powdery, like they literally turn to dust when you touch them with your brush, but they do blend really nicely, so whatever. Just tap off the excess before you go into your eye so you don't get it all over your face. Okay, so we've also got Cello and Unsung left, and obviously the light color which we used last, but I'm gonna take Cello, which is like a really pretty dark bronze shimmer. I think I'll just use the same little brush, and I'm gonna go in a little bit from the darkest color we used, like on the ball of my eye, but I'm not taking it all the way in. Use my finger. It's a really nice color too. It's just like a nice classic taupe shade, just like a good everyday. And then I'm going to take the glitter called Unsung and put that on the inner part of my lid. Considering I don't have a base, it is sticking well. Okay, and then I'm going to take Melody, and it seems weird, but I'm going to use the same brush because this part is going to go on that inner part, like kind of over top of the glitter on the innermost part of the eyelid and also the inner corner. I'm just flicking away the excess glitter that fell with my powder brush, not powder brush, blender brush. What do I put under my eye? I might go with the darkest color again, Verse. I'm gonna put this all the way under, make it nice and smoky and dramatic. Back in again with the firm blender brush, or this is the MAC one, but whatever you want to use, and I'm taking Ode again, and I'm gonna blend that. I feel like using a dark eyeliner pencil, like some kind of like metallic color or like brown color. So I just feel like I never do that anymore. I might use this caviar stick, which is technically a eyeshadow kind of stick formula, but I'm going to use it as eyeliner. So this is Metallic Taupe Caviar Stick by Laura Mercier. And it's kind of like a smoky taupe color. It's quite light, so it still helps to like brighten a little bit. It's really pretty. And then a new eyeliner I have is this Dragon Beauty Dragon Wing Liner. Never tried this before. It's just black, I think. Blackout. And this is the wand. It's really nice and fine. I'm going to do a semi-dramatic style wing today. I think I might smoke it out a little bit. Oh, it's really nice and easy to use. Yeah, that's so easy to use. It's super flexible, so you can kind of just like flick it. Yeah, I don't like stiff eyeliners, especially if I'm trying to go for this kind of look, so it's quite good. I'm just going to pop on some of my Viper Lip Plumper by Nabla. This is not the first time I'm using this, but I just feel like it. I don't know. The stuff like low-key hurts. Just goes on clear, and then yeah, after a little while it starts to like irritate your lips, which causes them to plump. Yep, there it is. Whew, okay. So just to add a little bit of smokiness to the liner, I'm going to go in with a short shadow brush with Verse again, which is the darker color. And I'm just going to literally just tap it on top of the black. Not all the way, just on the upper half of where the black line is. Look how pink they're going because of my blood flow. Once I like let it sit there for a little bit, I will like wipe off because I've got some foundation on my lips, so you'll be able to see like how pink my lips go because they're so irritated. Because that's all like lip plumpers are really, like it's just irritation, right? I'm just taking some more cello and adding that as well. Oh yeah, my lips. Just touching up the black a little. Okay, I'm gonna take this lip plumper off because it's like literally going nuts. See how like my lips look poutier? I don't know if you can see. I can tell the difference. Obviously it's just temporary. Also the lines are like less intense too. Like they just look smoother. Just putting a lip balm on now. For mascara, I feel like I tried this, didn't I? Or did I not? This is the Christian Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara. Oh my god, my lips are still going, honestly. I will be trying some new lashes today. So I just want to put on a nice layer of mascara because my natural lashes are literally invisible. This is the wand, by the way. Looks like this. It's like slightly banana shaped, and it's got some really dense bristles and then some more like sparse bristles, and it feels very soft. It's like a soft kind of flexible one. It's not like a super hard plastic. I feel like I am putting a lot of effort into my eyelashes right now to try and get a lot of product on. Like it doesn't really apply a lot at once, which can be a good thing because you're not getting like instant clump. I'm just going like behind my lashes and like building it up, and that seems to be doing a good job when I do that. But if you just like put a couple layers on, it doesn't really grip a whole lot. You kind of have to go from both sides. Honestly, that lip plumper works so well because my top lip is like the same size as my bottom lip now, and usually my top lip's smaller. Like tell me that doesn't work well. Like side on, it looks more plump, where the top lip looks more plump than my bottom lip, which is usually the opposite. Usually my top lip's like flat. So this mascara, like so far I like the way it's looking. It's not a favourite. It's not bad. Ooh, side on though, look, it's super black too. Like that looks really good side on, can you see that? Love a good side profile lash. I don't feel like it's helping my lashes curl more. Iconic Over Curl. I don't know, it just looks like a normal amount of curl. I'd say it's blacker than a lot of mascaras. Like it looks real pitch black. And it makes my eyes look extra green. Because it's so black, I reckon. Like it's just making my eyes really stand out. I don't know if I'm imagining it. Okay, yeah, I do like it. Not a favourite, but I like it. I actually feel like it might be the wand that makes me not like it so much. Like I really like the formula, but I think it's the wand because the wand is a little bit too flexible, too soft. Whereas I'd like something just to like kind of like really be able to get a bit more aggressive. But with this one, it's quite soft. So if I'm too aggressive, it just kind of flicks. Looks nice though. God, I can't wait to let my hair down. I'm over it. Like I sent a photo to my friend and he said I look like Mrs. Doubtfire. I was like, is it the cardigan? Like, I don't know. I'm going to let the mascara dry, and in the meantime I'm going to try out this pomade by Brow Code. It's the Cremade in Ash. Comes in this like bougie as packaging. And this is how the actual packaging looks. Nice glass and metallic lid. We're going to use it with a eyebrow groomer brush. Oh, it's like sealed on the inside. Weird. Like you take the lid off and then the plastic seals on the inner edge, which I've never seen before. So this is the eyebrow groomer brush. The colour probably looks a little bit more taupey than I'd normally choose. This was sent to me. Like I prefer like a brown because it goes with my roots, whereas this, yeah, that's too ashy. Like it just lightens my eyebrows, and I don't like super pale eyebrows, but we're going to commit. I'm going to have to use like a darker brow gel on top. Like, can you see what I mean? Like in here, it'd be nice for like a really platinum blonde, or if you don't have darker areas of hair like I do. Like I have the dark roots, so I prefer a darker brow. But if you were like platinum, it'd be a good color. It still does help to define. It's really nice and creamy. It just reminds me of like the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomades. It helped to like fill in all the gaps, but yeah, I just need some color. I like darker brows. I'll probably give this one to a friend because I don't think I'll use this colour. I'm going to go in with my Supermodel Brow by Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Supermodel Brow. It's just a nice darker colour. See, that's way more my style. I feel like I've put a little bit too much on the inner corner or inner part of my brow, but whatever. Alright, I got a little bit carried away and got heaps on my brow bone, so I'll wait for it to dry and then, you know, flick it off. But I'm going to try out these lashes by Love Scene, and they are Noir, I think. They look really pretty, so do a before and after. Here is the, focus, here's the before. Oh my god, it's so bright outside, but here's the after. Oh, they are stunning. I didn't have to trim them very much either at all, but you can see they've got like a thread. I feel like it's quite a recyclable brand, like the packaging, I don't think it was plastic. So I don't know, maybe it's like some kind of different fiber, so we're gonna have to cover that up with liner quickly. If you used a dark glue, that would solve the problem, but I didn't want to because I don't have eyeliner all the way across my eye, and I just feel like it would get really messy. So I just used clear glue, and I'm just covering like the visible parts with this eyeliner again. Okay, hopefully that's alright. My eyebrows honestly look like a hot mess. Like they look terrible. I don't know what I've done. I think it's just too many products, but yeah, maybe it'll look okay once we highlight the brow bone and kind of clean up. Hopefully. Alright, I don't think I have any bronzer. I've got some new powders here, but we'll just bronze with something else. I'm going to use Breezy. Wait, this is a cream bronzer. Never mind. I'm going to use my Mecca MAC Sunlit Skin bronzer. This is the shade Medium. I'm going to use my little jewel powder brush, and I'm just going to go around my temples and on my cheek. I literally cannot wait to take my hair out. Like I feel like Mrs. Doubtfire. I just don't suit this vibe. I don't suit short curly hair. It's as simple as that. I'm just going to take my spoolie of my brush and just try to soften the start of my eyebrow. It's not really working. Yeah, we just got grouch brows today. It is what it is. It is what it is. I feel like contouring too. I haven't contoured in ages. And I don't have any new ones, so we'll just use my contour kit. And I'm going to take a domed contour brush. I'm not going to do too much. I've got the Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic in Intense by Charlotte Tilbury. It's to be beautiful and deeper medium skin tones, but we'll just apply a small amount with the same brush. Oh, that's pretty. Kind of going across here. Just look nice and flushed. I have these Vision Flushes by Danessa Myricks. Oh, this is the same shade. I've got two of the same shade for some reason. I was sent these, but I might try it on a fan brush. This seems like it's going to be a disaster, Shannon. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, we'll try it on the cheekbone. Okay, no, that worked. That actually worked really well. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Dunk it. And then lightly distribute across the edges of the brush. And then fan it on and just make sure to really blend it. Putting the excess down my nose. I'm going to take a little bit of it on this little brush by Zoeva and highlight the brow bone. Texture of these feels really nice, like real silky. I'm just going to use a little bit extra highlighter. This is a Fenty one. It's not new or anything, but I'm going to use this shade here, Hustler Baby. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this Jar Cosmetics Diamond Powder in the shade Dreamer on my inner corner. Right on the inner corner. This is like a pinky kind of undertone, but I still think it looks really nice with the like golden colours on my eye. I forgot that I have to do my lips because my lips look like done from the plumper. I have this lip pencil by Doll Beauty, Kiss My Sass. I love this colour. And then I'm going to commit to this lippy stick by Colourpop, and it's in the shade Unreal. Courier is here. Alright, so Unreal, which is like a nice terracotta kind of nude. Quite a deep lip, but I think it works. Maybe if I changed to like a black outfit, it would look super like, I don't know, super sexy. So maybe I'll wear black tonight with this. I feel like the blue, it's a lot going on. So yeah, that's the makeup. I just pop on some gloss. This is the MAC lip gloss in Young Star. Just a little, it's like a really pretty light pink with iridescent shimmers. Alright, let's let down the hair. I'll zoom you out so you can see better. Just start at the back. I will just speed this part up. Alright, the hair is down. There's like this one random curl that I first took out that didn't really work. Look at this. Like, did I even curl that? I don't know. Alright, I'm going to try and part my hair where it normally parts and try to just like loosen these up a little bit. In fact, I'll probably brush them out. This is my GHD brush. I love this brush. It's like my favorite thing ever. Oh gosh, what's happening? Okay, trust the process. Now I'm going to use some serum. You know what? It looks kind of crazy right now, but I feel like by tonight, as these like relax, my hair's going to look so cute and bouncy. Holy, it makes me look like I've got so much hair. I did do this one other time, but I just didn't like curl my hair so much. It gave me really nice long bouncy waves, whereas this is like curl. Like I really like wrap them into tight curls. So I like using these, yeah, just on like normal waves. I kind of do like the middlings and the ends and like just hold them with the clip. Holy, do you guys like it? Something a little bit different. I'll switch into a black dress and we'll see how it looks like, you know, the full effect. Okay, yeah, I put on this dress from Miss Lola. It was gifted to me. It's just like a bodycon long ruched dress and it's so cute. Got my Time on a Boutique necklaces and earrings on. I mean, the hair's still like crazy, but already it's starting to like settle, you know. Okay, with the black though, that looks super like bombshell and sexy with that lip and like the eye makeup. Oh yeah, that's good. This one piece of hair doesn't know how to act. Look at it. It's like upwards. So yeah, I'm gonna go take some cute photos now because I feel pretty, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it brought you some nice peace and chill time, chill vibes. Love you. I'll see you next time on my next video. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Bye.